morning. Title which we are discussing is a chemical kinetics. And in chemical kinetics, today we will discuss collision theory. We said that some reactant reacts with each other and product is obtained. Simply we are saying directly product is obtained. But is it real that carbon and oxygen is there combined together and will get the product? It is not so simple. Some requirements are there to convert reactant into product. Some requirements are there. What is that? See. First step which is required, that is collision of reacting molecules. जो रिएक्टेंट्स है वो जब तक कोलाइड नहीं करेंगे तब तक प्रोडक्ट बनना शुरू नहीं होगा. And it is very clear that gaseous substances collide more as compared to liquid, which is more as compared to solid. But every collision does not produce product. If it is so, अगर हर collision product दे तो reaction might be complete in 10 raised to power minus 9 second. इतनी फास्ट होनी चाहिए. 10 raised to power minus 9 second में complete होनी चाहिए. But every collision does not produces a product. It is must. Collision theory said that the reacting molecules must collide to get converted into product. Gaseous molecule collide rapidly than the liquid, which is more than the solid. But every collision does not produce product. If it is so, the reaction might completed in 10 raised to power minus 9 second. Then what is the other requirement? See. The other requirement for the reaction to complete is activation energy. Activation energy. What is activation energy? What is activation energy? See. हमने तो बोल दिया कि दो हाथ से ताली बजती है. हाँ, कब? अगर दोनों हाथ एक दूसरे को कोलाइड हुए तो. सर लेकिन एक छोटा सा बच्चा जो 2 या 4 महीने का है वो अपने दोनों हाथ एक दूसरे पे क्लैप करता, हम बोलते हैं ताली बजा रहा है, बट ताली बजती नहीं क्योंकि आवाज आती नहीं. Because those hand does not have that much sufficient energy to get collide on each other. Actually, to convert a reactant into product, certain minimum amount of energy is required. That minimum energy is called as activation.
Activation energy.
The minimum amount of energy required to convert reactant into product is called as activation energy, which is required. Means पहली condition जो required थी कि reacting molecules must get collide. Second, those reacting molecules should have sufficient activation energy. सर फिर कोलाइड हुए, सफिशिएंट एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी है, तो क्या उसको हम लोग रिएक्शन हो जाएगी ये सोच सकते हैं. मैंने आपको क्लैपिंग का उदाहरण दिया था. Two hands collide with each other with sufficient energy. Sound is created. Sound is created, but उसको हम लोग क्लैपिंग नहीं बोलेंगे. Why? बिकॉज जो कोलिजन हो रहा है हैंड्स का वो प्रॉपर कोलिजन नहीं है. इफ दिस इज प्रॉपर, इफ दिस इज improper collision, and if there is an improper collision, that is not going to convert into product. Means what? Let's see. Third requirement is proper orientation of reacting molecule. Proper orientation of reacting molecule means what? See, if I wanted to react A with BC to get AB plus C, ये मुझे रिएक्शन करनी है. ये रिएक्शन, in this reaction, if the orientation is like this one, A plus CB, अगर इस तरह से मैं रिएक्शन अगर करता हूं तो आई विल गेट A प्लस CB. दूसरा कोई प्रोडक्ट मिलने वाला नहीं है. व्हाई? बिकॉज A is having strong bond with B, not with C. बट हमने ओरिएंटेशन पहले सामने C रखा है, और यही ओरिएंटेशन अगर ऐसा होता है A plus BC, then I will get AB plus. क्या समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में ये आ रहा है कि दिस इज improper orientation and this is proper orientation. So to convert reactant into product, the first thing which is very necessary, the reacting molecules should collide with each other. Every collision does not produces a product. Every collision does not produces a product.
फिर
But the collision, if it is with the proper activation energy and proper orientation is there, that only produces the product. फिर सर अगर ये तीन कंडीशंस अगर है तो क्या रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होगी? क्या रिएक्टेंट का कन्वर्शन प्रोडक्ट में होगा? ये एक क्वेश्चन हमारे सामने है. द आंसर इज नो. वंस अगेन आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ क्लैपिंग. कोलाइड होना चाहिए, सफिशिएंट एक्टिवेशन यानी पर्टिकुलर एनर्जी वहां होनी चाहिए, प्रॉपर ओरिएंटेशन, दिस इज इम्प्रॉपर, प्रॉपर ओरिएंटेशन होना चाहिए, एंड द फोर्थ कंडीशन इज दैट there must be, number fourth condition, potential energy must be there. Potential energy must be there to overcome external barrier. मतलब क्या है इसका? Let me explain with a suitable graph. एक ग्राफ में प्लॉट करता हूं. ग्राफ में यहां पर मैं पोटेंशियल एनर्जी लेता हूं. दिस इज द रिएक्टेंट. इनिशियली एवरी रिएक्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स आर हैविंग सर्टेन एनर्जी, मैंने वो शो कर दिया. देन देयर मस्ट बी सफिशिएंट एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी. एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी EA, एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी उन रिएक्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स में होनी चाहिए जो रिएक्ट होके प्रोडक्ट देने वाले हैं, तभी ये रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होने वाला है, एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट प्रोडक्ट। ये रिएक्शन होने वाली है। व्हाट इज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी? सी, देयर मस्ट बी सर्टेन एनर्जी which should be greater than activation energy। कारण एनर्जी अगर एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी से ज्यादा होगी तो डेफिनेटली उन रिएक्टिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स जो रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं, जो रिएक्टिंग कंडीशंस में है, उनके पास हायर एनर्जी अगर होगी तो डेफिनेटली नंबर ऑफ कोलिजन्स ज्यादा होंगे, इजीली एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी अचीव होगी, एंड इजीली दैट रिएक्टेंट इज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्रोडक्ट, वेयर इफ वी कैलकुलेट द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ कोलिजन, यानी कितने कोलाइडिंग मॉलिक्यूल्स कोलाइड होकर इमीडिएटली प्रोडक्ट दे सकते हैं, so that is calculated by the formula F. F is the frequency of collision, which is equal to e to the power minus EA upon RT, where this F is the frequency of collision, number of reacting molecules collide per second, that is equal to E exponential to the power minus EA. EA is the activation energy upon R. R is the gas constant. T absolute temperature. When all these factors completed, then only reactant is converted into product. तब जाकर reactant का conversion product में होगा. Once again, I am starting with collision theory of reacting molecules in chemical kinetics. See, the heading collision. To convert the reactant into product, the reacting molecules must collide with each other. The rate of collision is maximum in case of gas because the randomness is more. And therefore, the number of collisions are more in gas than liquid than solid. All collisions does not produces a product. All collisions does not produces a product. If it is so, the reaction might completed in 10 to the power minus 9 seconds. Yeah, definitely it is an elastic collision. Because they collide, repel, yes. Second requirement is activation energy. Requirement of activation energy. Requirement of activation energy. Every reacting molecules which collide, they should possess definite activation energy. The minimum amount of energy which is required to convert reactant into product is called as activation energy. Third requirement, proper orientation of reacting molecules. If we consider the reaction A plus BC giving AB plus C, and if the collision in first case is like A plus CB, then it does not produces a product because of improper orientation of reacting molecules. See the example. But if we make the correction in the orientation, there is a proper orientation of reacting molecule, then only you will get the product. But these three conditions, that collision of reacting molecule, requirement of activation energy, and proper orientation are not sufficient to get convert reactant into product. The fourth, potential energy barrier, which is explained by this graph. That when reactant is getting converted into product, definitely certain activation energy is there with the reacting molecules. But if the potential energy is greater than the activation energy, definitely the frequency of collision will be more. If the potential energy is more than the activation energy, the frequency of collision will be more, which is calculated by the formula F is equal to e to the power minus Ea upon RT, where F is the frequency of collision, E is the base exponential, Ea is the activation energy, R is the gas constant, and T is the absolute temperature. When all these four factors combined together, then only the reactant is converted into product. तभी reactant का conversion product में होगा. That is the case. Clear? This is about the collision theory of reacting molecules in chemical kinetics. This is collision theory. Then, with this consideration, Arrhenius derived one equation known as the Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation. Second title we are starting, that is Arrhenius equation. What is Arrhenius equation? Arrhenius equation. According to Arrhenius, the rate constant K is equal to A e to the power minus Ea upon RT. This is Arrhenius equation. If it is asked to write the note on Arrhenius equation, it will be K is equal to A into e to the power minus Ea upon RT, where K is the rate constant, A pre-exponential factor, exponential के पहले का factor, pre-exponential factor, it is also known as the Arrhenius factor. Ea activation energy, R gas constant, T absolute temperature. Let me solve this Arrhenius equation. Taking log to both sides. If I took log to both sides, it will be log of K, because I am taking log, that is equal to log A e to the power minus Ea upon RT. Let's solve it again. Log of A, log A into B with a logarithmic log, log of A plus log of E to the power minus Ea upon RT. Solve it again. Log of A, log of A, this will be minus Ea upon RT. And this log, already the base is E and this is E. So this is 1. Since log E of E is equal to 1. Everywhere there is a base exponential E. But as we are dealing with the decimal number system, we should convert this exponential base into decimal base. So to convert exponential base into decimal base, we have to multiply by 2.303. So if I multiply by 2.303, it will be 2.303 log to the base 10 of k, which is equal to 2.303 log to the base 10 of a minus EA upon RT. Let's divide the entire equation by 2.303. If you divide the entire equation by 2.303, it will be log to the base 10 of k. Again divide, get cancelled. Log to the base 10 of a minus EA upon 2.303 RT. This is the logarithmic expression of Arrhenius equation. This is the exponential form of Arrhenius equation. Let me revise once again. Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation is k is equal to a into e to the power minus ea upon rt. Taking log to the both sides, before that you have to mention the meaning of each and every individual terminology. K is the rate constant, a is the pre-exponential factor, exponential के पहले, और Arrhenius factor, EA is the activation energy, R is the gas constant, T is the absolute temperature, that is in Kelvin. See, the unit of K and A is same in case of first order reaction, ये हमें पता है. दोनों साइड में log ले लिए हमने. Log K is equal to log of this, log A into B multiply, so it is addition. Power सामने आ जाएगा and log of e to the base e is 1. Neglect it. To convert this exponential base, because everywhere there is the base exponential. To convert the exponential base into decimal base, we have to multiply by 2.303. Multiply it. And then here 2.303, there 2.303, divide it. Once you divide, you got the final expression for Arrhenius equation. This is exponential form and that is logarithmic form of Arrhenius equation. If you observe this equation, this will be written as log to the base 10 of k, log to the base 10 of a minus EA upon 2.303 R 1 by T. And if you compare this equation with the equation of straight line, y is equal to mx plus c, which is the equation of straight line, then you can also plot a graph for Arrhenius equation. Graphical representation of Arrhenius equation. Y-axis, x-axis, m, which is the slope, minus EA upon 2.303 R, C, which is the y-intercept, the straight line cut the y-axis. Means, if I plot a graph like this one, y-axis, which is log to the base 10 of k, x-axis 1 by t, the reciprocal of temperature, I will get the straight line, but the slope is negative, so I will get this straight line. This straight line cut the y-axis here, seize the y-intercept, so that gives the value of log to the base 10 of a, and this slope gives the value of EA upon 2.303R. Once the slope is known, you will get the value of activation energy. So by knowing the slope, you can calculate activation energy. Clear? This is about the Arrhenius exponential form equation, logarithmic form equation, and graphical representation of Arrhenius equation. Clear? This is about the collision theory. Arrhenius equation, its exponential form, its logarithmic form, and its graphical representation.